These tiny chocolate biscuits go through one insane industrial process before reaching stores around the world. And one hidden machine completely transforms these simple ingredients into millions of perfect Oreo biscuits. Every Oreo biscuit starts with massive amounts of raw ingredients arriving at the factory every single day. The first ingredient is flour, the foundation of every Oreo biscuit. Thousands of kilograms of flour are stored here before production begins. Next comes cocoa powder, the ingredient responsible for Oreo's iconic dark chocolate flavor. Inside the factory, every ingredient is measured with incredible precision. Massive automated systems move ingredients continuously through the factory every second. Sugar helps create the perfect Oreo texture and sweetness. Now the ingredients move toward one of the most important stages in the entire process. Inside these giant mixers, the Oreo dough finally begins to form. The ingredients blend together into a thick chocolate dough with the perfect consistency. Massive mixing blades continuously knead the dough to create a smooth texture. Once mixed perfectly, the Oreo dough moves deeper into the factory. The dough is flattened carefully to create perfectly even biscuit thickness. At this stage, the dough finally begins looking like future Oreo biscuits.
Special cutting machines now shape the dough into perfect Oreo circles.
This machine creates the iconic Oreo pattern recognized around the world.
Even leftover dough is recycled automatically to reduce waste inside the factory.
Now the Oreo biscuits move toward the stage that completely changes their texture forever. Inside these giant ovens, the biscuits become crispy and develop their rich chocolate flavor. Extreme heat transforms the soft dough into crunchy chocolate biscuits.
After baking, the factory fills with the smell of fresh chocolate biscuits.
But the most satisfying part of the process is still about to begin.
After baking, the biscuits must cool completely before the cream filling process can begin. Cooling prevents the cream from melting during the sandwiching process. At this stage, every biscuit is inspected automatically for shape and texture. Powerful scanners instantly detect broken or imperfect biscuits. Even tiny imperfections are removed automatically to maintain perfect quality. Now the factory begins preparing the most iconic part of every Oreo biscuit. The cream filling starts with massive amounts of sugar and flavoring ingredients.
Special industrial mixers transform the ingredients into thick, creamy filling.
Every batch of cream is mixed carefully to maintain the perfect Oreo texture.
This thick white cream will soon become the center of every Oreo sandwich.
The finished cream now travels automatically toward the filling machines.
Now the most satisfying stage of the entire process finally begins. Automated nozzles place the exact amount of cream onto every biscuit with incredible precision. Thousands of Oreo cream fillings are created every single minute inside the factory. The cream texture must remain perfectly smooth and consistent throughout production.
But the Oreo biscuits are still incomplete without the final sandwiching process.
Now robotic systems finally transform the biscuits into complete Oreo sandwiches. This machine creates the perfect Oreo sandwich with incredible speed and precision. At this moment, the Oreo biscuits finally become complete.
Millions of finished Oreo biscuits move through the factory every single day.
The finished biscuits are now organized automatically before packaging begins.
But before reaching stores, every Oreo must still pass through several final stages. Advanced scanning systems check every Oreo for perfect cream placement and biscuit alignment.
Now the finished Oreos prepare for the final stage before reaching millions of people around the world.
The finished Oreo biscuits now enter the final packaging stage.
Automated systems organize the Oreo biscuits perfectly before sealing them into packs. High-speed packaging machines wrap thousands of Oreo packs every single minute.
Each package is sealed carefully to keep the Oreo biscuits fresh and crispy.
Special heat systems lock the packaging securely around every Oreo pack. Now robotic systems prepare the Oreo packs for worldwide shipping. Millions of Oreo packs are stored here before shipment begins. Every shipment receives detailed tracking information before leaving the factory. The finished Oreo biscuits are finally ready to leave the factory. Every truck leaving this factory carries thousands of Oreo packs to stores around the world. Inside every package is the result of one massive industrial process. But most people never realize how much engineering goes into making a single Oreo biscuit. From raw ingredients to finished biscuit sandwiches, every stage transformed the Oreos completely. And the most satisfying part of all is finally opening the perfect Oreo biscuit. What started as simple ingredients became millions of perfectly engineered Oreo biscuits.
Inside this massive factory, millions of Oreos continue moving through the production lines every single day.
Inside one massive modern factory, simple ingredients transform into one of the world's most iconic biscuits. Even after packaging, the factory continues operating non-stop every single second.
Thousands of Oreo packs move through the production lines every minute inside this giant factory.
Yes. Advanced robotic systems organize every package with incredible speed and accuracy.
This giant warehouse stores millions of Oreo packs before worldwide shipment begins. Every Oreo package is prepared carefully for transport across the world.
From this factory, Oreo biscuits travel to stores in countless countries every single day.
But most people never realize the massive industrial process hidden behind every Oreo biscuit. And the iconic cream center is still the most satisfying part of every Oreo. After one massive industrial journey, the Oreos are finally ready to be enjoyed.
From raw ingredients to finished Oreo packs, Every stage transformed the product completely.
Even the cream itself moves through an advanced industrial system designed for perfect consistency.
Inside the factory, the production lines never truly stop moving. Every biscuit is engineered carefully to maintain the perfect Oreo appearance.
Advanced computer systems monitor the entire Oreo production process in real time. But the story of Oreo production still isn't finished yet. Even after millions of Oreo biscuits, the factory never truly sleeps. Inside this massive factory, production continues non-stop every single day.
Each Oreo biscuit passes through countless precise industrial systems before reaching stores.
From simple ingredients to finished biscuit sandwiches, every stage completely transformed the Oreo. But most people never see the incredible process hidden behind every Oreo biscuit. The famous Oreo cream center remains one of the most recognizable food textures in the world. Millions of Oreo packs are prepared here before shipping across the world.
Every day, countless shipments leave this factory, carrying Oreo biscuits to millions of people.
What looks simple on the outside is actually one of the most advanced biscuit production systems ever created.
Inside one massive modern factory, simple ingredients become millions of perfectly engineered.
Even after millions of Oreo biscuits are produced, the machines continue running non-stop.
Inside this giant factory, every second is carefully controlled by advanced industrial systems. The cream filling process remains one of the most satisfying stages in the entire factory. Every Oreo sandwich must move perfectly through the production lines without interruption.
Advanced robotics prepare thousands of Oreo shipments every single hour.
Every package is sealed carefully before shipment begins.
Millions of finished Oreo packs wait here before traveling around the world. Every truck leaving this factory carries thousands of Oreo packs to stores worldwide. But the iconic Oreo twist remains the most satisfying moment of all. From raw ingredients to finished Oreo biscuits, every stage transformed the product completely.
After one massive industrial journey, the Oreo biscuits are finally ready to be enjoyed.
For millions of people, Oreo and milk remain the perfect combination.
Inside this giant factory, production never truly stops. What looks simple on the outside is powered by one of the most advanced biscuit production systems in the world. Inside one massive modern factory, simple ingredients become millions of perfectly engineered Oreo biscuits. Even after producing millions of Oreo biscuits, this giant factory never truly stops.
Every second, thousands of Oreo biscuits continue moving through the production lines.
Even the cream itself travels through one massive automated industrial system. From simple ingredients to finished Oreo sandwiches, every stage transformed the product completely. Extreme heat gives every Oreo biscuit its iconic crispy texture and rich chocolate flavor.